Firstly, turn off your antivirus. In case no antivirus, click on Start button and search Windows Security or Windows Defender. Then open this application and follow the steps shown here. Now, turn off all the options under Virus and Threat Protection settings. Now open your browser. And go to the link given in the description box. Here, click on Get It Now and then click on Try It Free. Download started. After the download is completed, run the setup as an administrator. Follow the steps as shown here. Now, click on Start 30-day trial and enter your valid email address. Done. You have successfully claimed 30-day trial. In order to set an animated background, browse the wallpaper you like. Then, click on Download this background. Finally, click on Apply to my desktop. Done. You are all set now. You can also set your video as desktop background. And done. Thank you for watching till end. Please do subscribe my channel.